the AGC end of last year, they had this survey where a lot of information was collected, and there was a focus on technology that I think it's very interesting that we can talk about, because they said that when it comes to accounting and project management software adoption, they both grew 38%. And they were able to recognize that firms are putting way more dollars towards this type of solutions. Then the other thing is, on the negative side, is that they identified that the challenges that we're running into, number one is finding time to implement new technologies and training employees. The other one would be employee resistance and also cybersecurity. And I think it's interesting to connect all those thoughts to everything that you guys have been saying, because again, they're all intertwined.
Yeah, and nobody loves blocking and tackling, but ERP accounting systems are blocking and tackling. They are the foundation of the innovation, and I think project management systems at this point have reached that same precipice of being a table stakes and needing to be a part of it. And that does, I mean, change management is just, it's a lost art in construction. It really is. And we really could use to get better at it. I'm not ready to change my prediction for 2024 yet, but you're pushing me towards, like, maybe it should be focus on change management.
Well, I think that's part of this inflection point that we're at right now, is that BIM in the cloud and project management in the cloud have now reached this sort of level of maturity, and they're now starting to bash heads with each other. Which the whole philosophy and the whole idea of BIM was that, yeah, everything would be kind of tied through this central model. And again, I've always advocated for, well, really, we can have separate but equal, and that you're always going to want to take one little piece of the pie, or you could use the whole six-sided cube analogy of everyone's going to want a different slice of the data, but it's the same central data. Mm-hmm. And so I think, yeah, like we're finally at the point where technology is no longer the excuse for all this stuff to happen. It's really just us getting in our own way and our processes and incentive structures and all that other stuff to fix this. So yeah, I think that what you just brought up, Ariel, is a perfect overview and data driven realization of where we're at today.